Okay, so today I just want to talk about something that kills a lot of traders, which is emotions, right? So if you don't know what I'm talking about, let me just try to explain. So if you have ever found yourself maybe over trading, closing trades too early, or maybe holding into losses and hoping that they might turn around, right? Then you probably know what I'm talking about. You have already experienced these emotions that comes into traders. Now, most people think that for you to make money in the market, all you need is just a perfect strategy that is that is magical and that is going to make money. But the truth is, even if you get the best strategy in the world, if you can't control your emotions, then that means you are not going to make money in the market. Now, I'm not saying this from just thinking about it or from theory. I've been through it, right? I used to do the same thing, right? Whenever you place your trade, you are always looking at your trade, every tick that the trade moves, every movement that the trade makes, thinking that the market might just everything is going to change with one tick or with within seconds. But the truth is, if you really know what you are doing, it doesn't matter what the market is doing. If the market is going to go into your profit, it's going to go into your profit. If it's going to go into the loss, it's going to go into the loss. Okay, so how do you fix this? Well, the first thing is to stop thinking that emotions are something that you can just turn off, because you can't, right? No matter how experienced you are, no matter how many years you have in the market, emotions will always be there. So you can't just switch off emotions. But at the same time, also the difference between winning traders and losing traders is that winning traders don't let their emotions control their decision, right? You can't switch them off, but you can try to make sure that you are not using your emotions whenever you are trading. So your emotions should not be interfering with the trade. So one of the easiest way to do this is to remove yourself from the equation. So instead of manually entering and exiting trades based on what feels right, you need a system that follows the rules no matter what, right? You need to create a system so that you can follow this system no matter what happens. Because let's be honest, when real money is on the line, it's way too easy to break even or your own rules that you have, right? So to do this, there's two ways that you can do. The first thing is you can use automation. You can use trading robots, and most people use automation or trading robots, and they do it for a good reason. Because if you get a properly built trading robot, it's going to place your trades, and it's never going to put emotions, because it's artificial intelligence, right? So it doesn't second guess, it doesn't get scared, it doesn't get greedy. It places the trades based on the rules that you have put in the robot, right? So that's the first thing. But at the same time, even if you don't want to use robots, even if you want to trade you play your trades manually, you have to have certain rules, and now you have to make the decision to place those trades following the rules, right? For example, before you open a position, you should already know the exact amount of money that you are going to be risking on that position. You are going to already know where are you going to exit that trade even before you place the trade. You are also going to know how much are you going to lose if that trade goes on to lose, and how much are you going to win if that trade goes on to win. And you are going to put this all in a system. So that's the first way that you can try to control your emotions, right? Another thing that is going to help you a lot when it comes to emotions is placing less trades, right? Most traders overtrade because they feel like they have to be in the market all the time. But the truth is, it doesn't work like that, right? In our prop firm trading course, I talked about this, and I showed the students there that the people that are making the most money in the prop firm industry are placing less than 5 trades per month, right? But for most people, 90% of the people that are also trading are also placing more than 30 trades each and every month. And these people, guess what? They are not making money in the market, right? So what you have to do is, sometimes the best trades that you are going to place are going to be as few as possible, and also sometimes the best trade is no trade at all. Now let's talk about risk management. If you are risking more than you are comfortable losing, then you are going to be feeling stressed, obviously, right? So risk management is a big part of trading emotions. If you are risking more than you have, more than you can afford to lose, then obviously you are a human being, and because of human nature, you are going to get into that state of gambling, you are also going to get into that state of placing those trades that you were never willing to trade, because now you are losing more money and you are getting stressed, and your chances of over trading and making mistakes is going to be very, very high. The other thing that you need to do is to trust yourself and trust the process that you are doing, right? So if you have a tested strategy and you see that you have seen this strategy maybe after a back test of 100 trades that it can be profitable, then whenever you are placing your trades, you are going to make sure that you are going to stick to the plan, because you know that the losses that are going to come are part of the strategy. It's part of trading, but at the end of the day, your strategy can win you more money. Okay, now here's the good thing. If you get our prop firm trading course, you are going to learn how to pass prop firms by placing a few trades, and also you are going to get strategies that are already back tested. Also, you are going to get 2 trading robots that are going to help you if you want to eliminate yourself from the process and you want to eliminate emotions altogether. So to get this course, I will let you know. Check the first comment of this video.